Hey TPGtech squad, and welcome back to another video. And today's video will be dedicated to a very interesting problem that I had briefly brushed up on in my past video regarding this particular HP 15. This issue is so strange and so peculiar that I literally couldn't find but one instance of this online describing the issue accurately, but there were no solutions or any other discussions to the thread that I could find. But before we get too far in, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support my work and expand the content that I can cover. And now let's crack into the issue. From what I researched, the only plausible cause of this problem would be hardware defects of the computer itself that I can't determine, but I have tested for. I ran 4 tests using my SanDisk and my other USB, which was formatted beforehand and is perfectly functional on every other machine. The first test was with my work USB, which has Windows 10 Home 1909. It caused a graphical issue that I did cover on that video before, and it resulted in the entire thing just freezing. The third test was with my installation of Windows 10 Home 21H2 that I had created for my media creation tool video, which failed and skipped to the normal boot from the SSD. The next time I tried the same Windows 10 Home image, but I had reformatted the USB to have a master boot record partition and an NTFS file system for a legacy boot, which was enabled on the machine, which did fail the same way as the second test. Now, my final test was with my good old Windows 10 Home image that had 1903, which is the older update for Windows 10. It was the only one out of the 3 other attempts that actually did run, and was how I so happened to actually install the operating system on the computer in the first place, and it was purely by chance. I also tested the RAM and checked the CPU for any considerable issues that could be causing it, but other than the performance, they work perfectly fine. And what I concluded from the test that I ran is that there's a hardware incompatibility somewhere on the system that it may be preventing the newer Windows installations to proceed past the boot manager phase and causing it to completely wig out and lose its mind. I'm really curious as to what's causing this issue, and if you happen to do know what's causing it, please contact me. I'm super curious, and I'm completely stumped. Further corroborating my hypothesis, when you are on the desktop, the Windows OS cannot update past 1903 at all. I've tried multiple times, and there are, again, no other issues to be found there. And alright guys, that's it out of me for this particular issue. I hope that I can get to the bottom of this, man. It's for science. And in the meantime, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I am out. Peace. Hey, glad to see you made it to the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. TPG out.